I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset 2014 Acura MDX oil light. Park on level ground, leave the vehicle in park, and switch ignition to on without starting. Use the dashboard buttons and the center display to navigate to the maintenance menu, select oil life, and choose Reset. Follow prompts until the display confirms 100% oil life, then turn ignition off and start the engine to verify the indicator is cleared. In this video, I will show how to reset 2014 Acura MDX oil light. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is on a flat surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Sit in the driver's seat with the key fob and turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Use the steering wheel menu buttons to bring up the maintenance menu, then follow on-screen prompts carefully until the reset completes and confirms 100%. In this video, I will show how to reset 2014 Acura MDX oil light. With the ignition on but engine off, press the menu button and navigate to maintenance minder or vehicle settings using the arrow keys. Select oil life, choose Reset, and confirm when prompted to restore it to 100%. Wait for the confirmation message, then turn the ignition off and start the engine to ensure the oil light is no longer illuminated on the dash.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.